to go up and show you the sign. This is the sign of Taberna, and the guy you see there to the left, up in the left corner, up here, that Chef Tiziano, really good. I think at some point he even was a chef for the Queen of England, so that's a good resume, I would say. All right, let's head it back in. Let's head back in. Good evening. Good evening.
How are you tonight?
I am doing just fine. We're going to go and sit in the garden back here.
Yeah, so far I got one available right here.
If it is not
available? They're available.
Yeah, well, they're busy. That's a good thing.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good thing. Huh? What? What? Oh, your camera. Yeah. Be careful shooting on people though.
No, I'm not doing it.
Because they might. Alright. So here we are at the place of the crime. Place of the crime. Our marriage. So. Hello. Good evening. They redid the menus. They changed the name of the restaurant after my friend passed away. But they made it really, really nice. This is like an outside garden here, and it's really nice.
Tiziano is looking. Just Tiziano is looking over there. You just recording me? Ah.
Why not? I'm going to go and say hi to you.
Yeah? I'm just doing my vlog.
Turn the camera to me when I go and say hi. If he doesn't disappear. They have I don't know. Just make sure the microphone is close there.
Yeah, it's close to
They have a new Facebook page
on this.
for this place also, yeah. I'm going to try to, because there's still people asking questions about Amoremio.
Yeah.
You remember I was managing that for a while.
Yeah.
And
So they never change
they never
it.
check it.
Yeah.
So they're losing business actually. People wanting a room. They have some rooms here too. If people want to stay here.
It's the same before.
Same as before.
Yeah.
So they need to. We need to combine that. So he's going to come back in a little bit.
Yeah.
And introduce me to his partner.
Okay, that's good.
And then we're going to talk a little bit.
Yeah.
So we'll see, you know.
Yeah, it's more blessing.
Yeah, more blessings. We'll see.
Yeah.
I don't care. I like to help them. They've been good to us.
Yeah.
So he's going to introduce me. He has a new partner. I just found out.
Yeah.
So I'm going to talk to him about that too.
Okay. That's a good news. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Yeah, I'm quite surprised how busy they are, and all the remodeling. I'm going to show some old photos from the outside.
Yeah.
Right now, they closed it all in. They got a roof over here. They didn't have that before. So a lot of times.
It's a lot.
A lot of times when they had
Before that corner have a gate, right? Wooden gate.
Yeah.
So I think they close it and then make some renovate.
right.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
All of this.
Yeah. Well, if you look at the roof,
Yeah. Roof. It's.
ceiling,
Yeah.
there was no ceiling here. It was open.
No. It's an
here.
open.
So
that's the big
yeah. And
changes
the
also.
rainy season, they lost a lot because they couldn't see people out there.
Yeah.
That was part of the deal, you know. When it was raining, nobody can come and eat.
So I think this is the best renovation.
Yeah. I like it. I like what he did.
Yeah, they had some more plants, flowers.
He spent some money here.
Yeah.
So that's a good thing.
This is my partner.
Oh, really? Okay. Hey, how are you? How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
Sardinia, actually.
Italy. Okay.
Okay, you speak
Well,
three,
we have 2 Italians and 1 Swedish guy.
British.
Yeah, I'm Swedish. So, and I've been living here, you know, and I know Tiziano from the past, Amoremio. Me and my wife, we actually had a reception there when it was Amoremio 5 years ago, 4.5 years ago. We had a reception there.
Long time.
It's a big
No,
difference.
we changed all.
Yeah,
We put this to renovation.
you're right.
Inside the renovation. We got all this room too.
You're right. Do you still have rooms?
Yes.
Thank you.
So, because here's what I told Tiziano. You know, I was managing, and he said I didn't have a password for a Mio Facebook account. I have it.
You have.
Yeah.
Now we
He should have just called me. Right? But he did. So, what we need to do, because you still have people asking about a Mio. You still have people coming here, going to Mio and they're giving, you know, comments and
we didn't change it because they all gone they did.
yeah, I know. So what we need to do, turn it over to Taberna and merge the 2 things.
Thank you. Oh, look at that.
Amoremio, we don't have the
Look at the
passport,
pizza.
nothing. No problem.
That's my order.
I do.
Carbonara. Okay, go. Yay. Feel it. Oh, it's yummy. Yeah.
The pizzas are the best there.
Yeah. Now the carbonara is good now. Because the last time we came here, the carbonara is so dry. Maybe the shape now is good.
Yeah. It's good. All right. We're going to enjoy our meal.
Yeah. Enjoy my meal also, my carbonara. See you a little bit. But the food is the same, I like it.
Yeah.
You don't change it.
He wanted me to come back tomorrow. His partner wanted me to come back tomorrow.
I read your horoscope.
This pizza is just awesome. Crispy, thin crust, very tasty, perfectly spiced. What else can you ask for? It's delicious.
Carbonara is delicious.
Huh?
This is the best carbonara. There's a seafood also.
Yeah.
Seafood.
Shrimp.
Yeah, shrimp, asparagus. And I said that you need to put a little bit spicy. Make it spicy.
Well, that's great. All right, so I almost killed that pizza. Got a little help from Janice, one slice, and she has almost killed her own food. So it's tummy full here. Stomachs are full. It was good, right? Yeah, I really not like what they did there. Closed this in. This was all open to the nature. If it was raining, it was no guests out here because there was no protection from the rain. The way they did it is excellent, beautiful. And back there in the corner, I'm going to try to go down there and see if I can get a view of it. That's the wood oven where they bake their pizza. They have a wood oven now, so they're actually baking their pizza in a wood oven. Authentic Italian, I would say. And I'm going to go down and talk to that guitarist for a minute, or maybe not talk to him, but at least record some of his music. So the atmosphere is really, really nice. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So I'm going to go down there. So you got the wood oven?
Yeah, wood oven.
You're firing wood out? Wow. Oh yeah. Who came up with this oven? That's where they bake the pizza. Wow. Pizza is good though. He does really good pizza. That's pretty cool.